Ever wished you could understand every single word your favorite artists are saying on Weverse Live? It's incredibly frustrating when you're excited for a live broadcast, but the language barrier feels like an insurmountable wall. But what if I told you there's a super simple way to get real-time English subtitles for any Weverse Live? Stick around, because today I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, right from your phone. First things first, we need a little helper app on your phone. Open up either the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type in Google Translate. You should see the familiar Google Translate app. Go ahead and tap the download or install button. It's free and will take just a moment to install. Once it's installed, open up the Google Translate app. You'll see a simple interface here. We're looking for a specific feature within the app. See that camera icon? Tap on that. This is where the magic happens. You'll be brought to the camera translation screen. Make sure the scan option is selected at the bottom. Now, at the very top, you'll see the language options. We want to set the top language to English as we want our subtitles in English. For the bottom language, you'll likely need to select the language your artist is speaking. Most likely, this will be Korean, but you can scroll through the list to find the correct one if your artist speaks a different language. Now, head over to your Weverse app and start the live broadcast you want to watch. Open up the Google Translate camera again. Make sure it's set to scan, and point your phone's camera directly at the screen where the artist is talking. And there you have it. Look at your screen. You should now see real-time English translations appearing directly over the Weverse Live broadcast. It's that simple. Now you can follow along with every conversation, every joke, and every heartwarming moment your favorite artists share. No more missing out. You can now enjoy your Weverse Lives to the fullest, understanding exactly what your idols are saying. Give this a try and let me know in the comments which artist you're excited to watch with English subtitles. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips like this.